shwmae a chroeso. Welcome to the FAW Cup Draw Show. We are down to our final 16 teams in the FAW Women's Cup, and today we're here at Park Hall Stadium for an exciting clash as Genero Adran Premier side the New Saints host Adran North side Wrexham in the second round. There's a place in the quarter-finals at stake, so let's go and see who makes it. So Andy, second season now in the Adran Premier. How has it been going so far for you?
Well, since the start, obviously, it was a baptism as fire, as we know. We've stabilised, we've got forward momentum, so the season so far has been good from our point of view, although results might not testify that completely, but we're really happy with the position that we're in.
Yeah, we've had a really good start to the season. We're really happy with where we are in this season. We've had a few really good wins. And we're hoping for top four. We're going to keep pushing for it.
Our ambition is to very much replicate what goes on the boys' side here now. As you say, it's a finely tuned machine from the younger stages to the upper ages, where there's a scholarship programme and a pathway straight into the first team, and that's our intention as a women's section as well. We'll have a scholarship programme up and running for next year. We've got a very strong under-19s, under-16s and under-15s section at the moment, and we'll look to build on that.
It's a good challenge for us, really. We met at the same stage of the competition last time. Obviously, both teams have gone on different paths since that fixture. So, again, it's another good opportunity for us to showcase, that we're obviously pushing for promotion this season and to compete against the team in the league above and sort of showcase that we can compete with those teams above us, really.
And the team, of course, the men's team at Wrexham have had a lot of attention over the past year especially. Do you feel that's translated as well to the women's side? Absolutely,
and it just shows last week with Rob coming down to watch the game. Obviously a little bit more pressure on us to win in front of him, but I think he was amazed with the whole day, really, and I think with that exposure from him, there's going to be more fans jumping on the back of that and coming down to watch the women's team.
Don't want to go in there thinking they're a league above and killing ourselves off straight away. Anyone can win a game, doesn't matter what league you're in, and also gives us a chance to see where we're at, because that's what we're aiming for, is their league, so it gives us a chance to compare ourselves to them.
Mawr, you've booked your place in the quarterfinals of the FAW Women's Cup. You must be thrilled.
Diolch. Yeah, absolutely made up. Obviously, before the game, we obviously said about coming here to obviously compete with the opposition who are a league above, and the girls I think were fantastic today. I think first half we deserved to be 2-0 up. Second half was a little bit shaky towards the end, but to be fair to them, they were resilient, stood up to all the challenges and bring on the quarterfinals.
And now, with the results coming in, Pontypridd are out, Swansea City are now out. Does this give you, a good chance now of getting deep into this competition?
We'd like to think so. Obviously, it's going to be tricky whoever you get. Cup football's always up for discussion, but no, we're really happy. We're looking forward to the draw. We're just really delighted to be in the next round now.
Well, congratulations once again. Shall we find out who you'll be facing?
Yes, please.
Well, time to head over to FAW HQ for the draw.
Croeso i Bencadlys Cymdeithas Pêl-drog Cymru. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales HQ for today's FAW Women's Quarter-Final Cup Draw. I'm today joined by former FAW President and current member of the National Cup Board, Kieran O'Connor, who will be adjudicating today's draw. Congratulations to the 8 sides who were victorious in the last round of the competition. There were notable victories for Llandudno, who defeated local rivals Rhyl, while Swansea City were knocked out of the competition on penalties by Cardiff Met. This stage of the competition is the first in which the competition will be an open draw. So let's get started with today's quarter-final draw. So the first club out of the draw are Cardiff Wanderers, who were victorious over Pencoed on the weekend. And to face Cardiff Wanderers will be Britain Ferry Llansamel. They were 9-1 victorious over Llanelli on the weekend. There will be a home draw for Cardiff Met. They defeated current Adran Premier champion Swansea City on penalties. Llandudno. They obviously defeated Rhyl on the weekend. So home tie for Cardiff City. They were 5-0 victors over Pontypridd. And travelling to face Cardiff City will be Adran Premier side Abergavenny Town. Down to the final draw. There's a home fixture for Wrexham. They defeated TNS on the weekend. And travelling to Wrexham will be Aberystwyth Town, who knocked out Conisky Nomads on the weekend. That concludes today's FAW Women's Cup draw. All ties will be played on the weekend of the 11th of December.